Hey everybody, it's me again. This is gonna be my third update on my carnivorous plants. I moved the whole setup to our fourth floor instead of our balcony. Not only is there more sun, but there is more space. So here's my Drosera Burmannii. It has one of them has a flower stalk, as you can see here. They've been the most efficient on all my Droseras in catching food. And here's my Drosera Spatulata Fraser Island flowering too. And this one's new. I'm not sure if you can see that. My Drosera indica. Oh, Intermedia. Forgive me for that. My Drosera Intermedia. So far it's been doing great, but I had to feed it constantly as I see it's been declining when I stop feeding it, and it's not that efficient in catching its own food. So sometimes I just take food from the Burmannii and give it to this one, so it just won't die. I kind of regret getting this one though. And here's my Nepenthes Gracilis X Mirablis red. It's been producing these nice pictures. I have 3 pictures, one in the back. This one's pretty good. I like how its pictures are just red, and yeah. This one is my Northiana Nxalata. This one's kind of regular, but it's still good, and it kind of grows fast, so it's kind of a good plant for a beginner. I really like how this picture's forming, and this is an older picture. As you can see, it's developing a much more red color on the top half. Well, that's natural for them. You can see how they just inflate. So again, this is Nepenthes Northiana Nxalata, and here's my Nepenthes Gentle. Some pictures there and there. This one's been with me for at least a year now, and this is actually the basil, and I've tried to propagate the main plant, which this is the main plant, and it's not doing so good, but that's okay since I have another one. I was just gonna try how hard the cuttings are, and for me they proved to be really hard. And this is my Nepenthes Ventrata. You can see how big it is. I'm not sure if it's you can see it properly, but it's vining right now. It doesn't have any new pictures, just the old ones. And you can see this piece of plant and that piece of plant. I just use it for a bridge, to serve as a bridge for the ants, so all the pitcher plants can get food. Here's an ant right now, and as you can see, it can't cross the water, so I use the stem so it can cross to anywhere it wants. It has the freedom to die now. This one's, I think it's a Viking VxMiranda. Yeah, it's a Viking VxMiranda. The one who sold this to me was pretty proud of it. It's a basil with roots now. He said that this is one of the most beautiful pitcher plants available here, where I live in the Philippines. It's one of the most beautiful plants, and if I let it grow, and if it grows right, it will be such a beautiful, huge pitcher plant. You can see how its leaves are red, which is also unique to it. and a few other pitcher plants. This one has semi-red, but it's not as red as this one, as you can see. This one's a stem cutting from I think it's a Rebecca Sopper. Yeah, this one's a Rebecca Sopper. I'm not sure if you can see this because it's pretty bright here. And this one is Gracilis, Nepenthes Gracilis Nigropurporea. It's pretty small, you can see. It has these cute little pictures. I really like this one. When it grows old, its pictures will turn black. You can see how its pictures are red here. And you can see how this one has a darker picture because it's a little bigger. And this is the same species as the other one, so it's a Gracilis Nigropurporea then. And you can see how the pictures just gradually darken. I'm really in love with this plant. It seems to develop these black pictures over age, not over size, but yeah. And right here I have a few Filiformis seeds. I know you can't see this, but I'm gonna show you anyway. These are some seeds that sprouted. There's one more, and there's another. I'm not sure how many there are, but I'm sure those are Drosera. I'm not sure if they're even Filiformis seeds, but they're Drosera. I've grown seeds before, and Drosera look like that. Anyhow, let's get back. Here's my Drosera Binata. You can see the leaves. It's been growing in this pot, in this glass container, so I heard they can be grown waterlogged, so that's why I growed it there. So just a view of my whole setup. It's a bit blurry, but I can't do anything about it. So yeah, thanks for watching and subscribe.